In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money on PayPal as friends and family. This is a simple yet essential feature of PayPal, perfect for when you want to send money to someone you know without any hassles. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, if you're using an Android device, go ahead and open up your PayPal app. Once the app is up and running, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. There you'll see an option labeled Send/Request. Tap on that to begin the process. You'll then be prompted to enter the recipient's details. PayPal gives you several options here. You can either type in the person's name, their PayPal username, their email address, or even their mobile number. Make sure to double-check the information to ensure it matches the individual you intend to send money to. This is crucial to avoid any accidental transactions to the wrong person. Once you've filled in the recipient's information, the next step is to enter the amount of money you wish to send. Here, you'll want to ensure that you've entered the correct amount, as this is the exact sum that will be deducted from your account. With the amount settled, go ahead and tap on the Send Now button. Now here's a critical step. When the option appears, select for friends and family. This choice is particularly vital because it lets PayPal know that you are sending this money to someone close to you, rather than for purchasing goods or services. It often means fewer fees, making it a more economical option. After confirming that the payment is for friends and family, tap Next to proceed. At this point, if you haven't already linked a card to your PayPal account, the app will prompt you to do so. Linking a card ensures that the transaction can be completed smoothly and efficiently. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to input your card details. Be thorough and careful while filling out these details to avoid any errors. Once you have successfully linked your card, PayPal will process the transaction and the funds will be sent to your friend or family member. And there you have it. You've now mastered how to send money on PayPal as friends and family. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. Also, hit the notification bell so you can stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.